Your tent will arrive in 2 boxes, one containing the accessories and one containing the tent itself. And I'll tell you, just the art on the front of these boxes gets me excited to set this tent up. This particular model is army green and it is gorgeous. All the accessories come in their own waterproof accessory bag, and taking it out of the box, the first thing we see is the awesome Coody logo right on the front. There are 2 handles on top with straps sewn in around the entire bag for reinforcement, 2 clips with tension straps to tighten your bag, and a zipper along the length of the top of the bag. The first thing out of the bag is a patch kit with glue, a brush, instructions, and 4 patches. These are kept in an orange tube. Next up is a large green bag with a manual hand pump, and I love this hand pump. It has the Coody logo right on the front, super smooth action, swivel handle, and a PSI gauge right on the top. This also comes with an air tube and several options of connectors for use with the tent and anything else you might need to inflate. Connect the tube to your pump, choose the appropriate nozzle, and proceed to pump up your tent. When you're done, it all goes right back in its own bag. Next up is a smaller bag with 22 heavy-duty stakes and 8 ventilation inserts. Next up, we have a bundle of accessories held together with its own tension strap. This includes 4 transparent TPU windows and 1 gigantic rain fly. We'll get to those a little bit later. For now, let's pack everything back up in our accessories bag and get to the tent. When you open the tent, you'll find that it is in 2 boxes for extra protection during shipping. Now, this tent is heavy, so I highly suggest you either use 2 people to get it out of the box, break the box down, or if you must lift it yourself, lift with your legs, not your back. And just like the accessories bag, this thing is gorgeous. This tent comes in its own storage bag, thick canvas with heavy-duty straps that once again wrap around the entirety of the bag for extra support. This bag has a heavy-duty handle on each side, 2 tension straps with clips, a long drawstring, which opens up an enormously wide mouth to this bag, so it'll always be easy to get your tent back in. Directions sewn into the liner, and a flap sewn into the liner that you can fold over your tent for extra protection when you close it all back up. I don't know about you, but I'm excited. Let's get this loaded on the golf cart and go set up camp.